Hakani ke jinglet jurep jong Myntri Rangbah ke jelau Conrad kongkal sangma ya ke Ïewduh. Leidon lang usumbut Myntri Rangbah ke jelau ba Preston Tungsong, Myntri ke Tenat Arts and Culture ba Polengdo usiem ke hima meliam upa iem aina manik siem, ki Myntri bat ki bakrau batri jong ke hima bagi officer sorkar. Wara pedang kejing ter Lapbah Myntri Rangbah rangkat baka kenhun juu kila beteng mendet jurep igi basa boper ki bedon Ïewduh. Ban pet ke Jinglong Jingman jok ne kayo bat kele keren ru bagi nong syong dukan bagi nong dia jing dia tentu ru gi pat ba ki belit yo kini kan huan ke let ru berjurit gi jaka ke badan asau dong jok Ïewduh ke bakan thup ke yo molong kle yo bat mat kran Conrad kongkal sangma habe keren bekila patai kubor hadin ke jing jurep ulong bagi sarkar jela kat sepen kre ke master plan ban sna penbha bat ni tenat ke Ïewduh berulong bagi sarkar jela ka dak mangi bisa ke bakot beruk lur tengka ban sna penbha berok kelenti ai kejat ke badan hapo Ïewduh berkikam gelas sedang meniat Khmih mereka belasaki ke jingdan buan ke jingduna ke jingdan kam kota ke sarkar kan samang sakat san klur tengka ban pentrai ke projek ke bakam he kum kelenti ai kejat kinala ke jingtap ke pipe baki we ke jingdan kam Ula pencairu bahkan omdan kanu ke jingi tengku bagi projek kini tenat jangka ke HADC.
Waste management also. Waste management also. This box is causing a lot of pollution. Yes. Can we figure out how to dispose it off without doing it in the open and the nala? Let's see like how this is going. We have to talk to the market people also how they should also support this entire effort of the government and of the Hima to make this better. So our role is there, your role is there, and their role is there. Good afternoon to everyone. Today, along with Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tungsong, and our Tourism Minister, Paul Lingdo, and the Hima Milem, and all the other officials of different departments, we had visited Ïewduh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen, and next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths, we will put them under duck, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Ïewduh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Ïewduh market area directly and indirectly. And therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Ïewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Ïewduh market. So, Myntri, where's Myntri? He's going in front. Oh, there he is.
Hello sir, welcome sir to our market. This is to video on flash serving Jingman.
We have sanctioned 6 crore in the first installment. That 6 crore work is going on. You can see this, the footpath being made. Now we have already sanctioned 15 crores more. So again build up the nala and so now after doing this small bit, we know that there is more problem. So until unless we don't meet you, we don't know the problem. So we want to hear from you. That's why we have come. And then now, not saying in one day to be done, but slowly, yeah. So no, so 6 crore already done, going on. 15 crore sanctioned. And now this will be the third phase.